What's good, YouTube? YouTube, this your boy Aristotle. We back with another episode of Market Talk, and today I want to talk about two plays that I think you should watch that could go and what I see from here. All right, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what I did and some trades I made this week and everything. So let's get right into it. I ain't gonna waste you guys' time. So first of all, let's talk about it real quick. Let's go to the daily chart. Let's go to SPY. Let's reset chart view. And we had a bit of a down draw today. All right. So I'll talk to you guys about a play that I made. No, it was Meta. So it's crazy because in the small account challenge, I was kind of bummed that I couldn't catch Meta at first. So SPY had a down draw. I think it bounced off the 21 EMA today. So if we go to the EMA, yep. You see how it keeps holding this 21 EMA? So the trend right now is the 21 EMA, as you can see, which is that yellow line, right? And then let's talk about it. You feel me? We have, we'll delete that later. Let's go to Meta. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. And it should come up. So basically, I took this reject right here, right? And it was off the golden pocket Fibonacci right here. And I called it in high risk. And it was right here. As you can see, you learn and earn here. Starters and Meta put like literally on the dot 1134. And we made 32%. Like we literally caught the whole thing. This, like, we got in right here, it wicked up a little bit, and then it shot down here. We took profits at the yellow line. Perfect entry and exit. It was very, very golden. The reason I exited because it was a 21 EMA right here. All right. So I kind of figured it would bounce because it wasn't going to fall below both the 8 and 21 so quickly, but it did wick a little bit. And yeah, we caught a good number of that. And my guys also caught the bottom of the SPY trade right here. Right here, they caught the bottom. So where was it? He was saying he was in SPY calls. Yeah, right here in SPY 635 calls, 11. So they got in right here, about right here. Let me see. Actually, they damn near caught the bottom, 1103. So I don't know if you can see the timestamps at the bottom. About 1103 right here. As they kept adding, and that thing went. Caught a lot of green candles right there. So those guys are great at sniping bottoms. I'm not good at that. I'm more so, you know, a pullback type of guy. Like I probably would have caught this the entry I caught right here. I caught puts here. I wish I was as good as them with this part, but I'm good at this part. So let's talk about the two plays. But before I do, let's go to the games. Y'all know what it is, man. Make sure y'all tap into the Discord. Yeah, these are some of the elites we call. Yeah, you see somebody got in Meta, 27%. I called 30%. SPY call, you see that? Look at them, you know, everybody getting them, you know, the money. Then the PLTR puts from Mike Swing. Look at this, 27K from his swing. He called the PLTR puts right here. Added to PLTR, see that? To the puts, and the puts went. Let's go to the daily chart. You see that he called puts up here, and then it went down, and everybody banked. So you're going to see people posting gains, right? Now let's talk about the two plays that I like. Number one, UPS. Okay, make sure you guys tap in. I'll post a link in the description. UPS, if it breaks this bear flag here, we go to Google and type in bear flag pattern. All right. And you guys are going to see that we have a pole, uptrend, little flag thing, and then a down break entry point right here. See that? So we have a flag pole, and then here's the breakdown for puts. So we have a textbook 90-degree flag pole, and then a breakdown here, right? And then it already kind of broke down this one. So it's like double flagging. Had a big flag, double flag, and it's crazy because FedEx is doing the same thing. So if FedEx breaks, it could come down some more. So my plan is I want to catch this downside action and then start scaling into leaps around here about the 81 through 83 area. I already got 83, everyone swing long right here. And you see that right here about 81 is where we want to kind of get in at. 82, 81, something like right there. It comes there, perfect. Get into some leaps. This is a great little area to get into right here. So, you know, I want to swing for the fences for the downside on UPS. Let's check the RSI. Yeah, it could really, you know, do some damage. So UPS and FedEx are flagging, bear flagging. And then I got RTX. So it's crazy because this one is bull flagging, which is the opposite. So we got a bull flag and a bear flag. All right. So it's just the opposite of that, as you guys can see. And that's really all I see, folks. RTX, bull flag. And then who else? LMT looks like this is a defense stock. So could gap fill. So RTX and LMT are kind of rivals. They're defense stocks, and they, you know, rockets, you know, I don't know what they do, you know, all types of stuff. Let's see. It's a global security aerospace company while engaged in research, design, development, manufacture, integrations, sustainment, technology, system, products, and services. It operates through the following business segments: aeronautics, missiles, you see what I'm saying? All that type of stuff, space. And then RTX, same thing. If I'm not mistaken, RTS Aerospace Defense Company, which engages in provision aerospace defense systems, service commercial, military, government system, operates through the following segments. So yeah, you see that same thing, missiles, defense. So as you can see, you know, it could be because the Trump office is just going, and it's crazy. I wonder why RTS is just going parabolic like that. As you guys can see, never really been this high before. So, you know, we're just gonna follow the trend. Bull flagging. LMT is trying to fill this gap. So, you know, there could be some synergy there. And then UPS and FedEx. All right. So you guys got 4 plays that I'm watching. And yeah. And if I get into them, you guys already know where I'm going to post it in my chat. So if you guys want to, you know, see me call these plays, like I'll literally be telling my people, hey, we're about to get in this. See that? So if you want it first and you want to see when I get in, tap in, folks. Y'all already know I got the best score in the world. God bless you guys. See you guys next time.